Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, my days. Ah! How's it going, boys? Welcome back to another stream. Let's see. Does it say we're live yet? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Let's go, boys. Yes, we are. Let's go, boys. Yes, we are. Let's go, boys. Yes, let me just send the announcement real quick, boys. Let me just send the announcement real quick, boys. Let me just send the announcement real quick, boys. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, it is repeating. My bad. My bad. I have to turn off. My bad. Hello, Brad. All right. We're starting with that shit immediately. Let me at least get a few minutes. Let me get a few minutes of peace before y'all start calling me Brad. Let's see. I'm live. Let's go. All right, guys. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to another stream. My name is Bard. I'm gonna be your host for today's stream. Today's stream is all about trading. You know, so Spencer streams on Monday, Tuesday. Spencer streams on Tuesdays, and when Spencer streams, he talks about the firm, the new updates about the firm, he answers questions about accounts, all of the technical, prop firm shit. But when I stream, it's trade talk, boys. So we're trying to talk everything about trading. Whatever you want to know, I'm here. Bart plus Spencer when happening, oh my days, bro. What haven't we thought about that? Chat, I'm just saying some IRL content might be due soon. Some IRL content might be due very soon, boys. So, me and Spencer are cooking. I'm telling you, behind the scenes, we've got some shit planned for y'all. Some great content for you guys to watch. Let's see. His name is not Brad, it's Bart. Thank you, Hassan. My guy. Hit that like, people. Lightheim got the right mentality. Bart, is UJ valid? Let's look at UJ real quick. Where's UJ? Is UJ valid? This one, no. I wouldn't say this one's valid. Good trade ERL to IRL. What's ERL? What's up, bro? Yo. Checking in. What's up, Andrelic? Hey, bro, Johnny from Ireland. Hello, Johnny from Ireland. How are you doing, mate? No, that's not Irish. What? Irish accent is really hard to do. Lol, I've been staring at YouTube at least for an hour while waiting for live. My guy, John, that's Aussie. Yeah, I know. Fuck, I tried to do an Irish accent. I'm never doing that shit again ever in my life. I don't know how the fuck I embarrass myself like that. Ain't gonna happen again, chat. I'm sorry. So if y'all ever catch me trying to do an Irish accent, please stop me. Let me a good try. Thank you. I'm short on GU. Am I cooked? Let's see. You're short on GU. Are you cooked? You might be cooked. Let's look at the 4. No, you're not cooked at all. No, you're not cooked. You're definitely not cooked, bro. You're good. You're good. Especially if you ever stops above these highs, you're good, bro. Because look at the 4 hour. Look at how it opened. 4 opened with a very small bottom wick compared to the previous bottom wick. So this 4 is likely going to flip and fill that wick down. So you're good. Don't worry. Thanks, Marty. You're welcome, brother. South African here. What's up? What's up? A South African accent I ain't even going to try. Love from North Korea. Yo, can I come visit? I'm low-key trying to visit, bro. I'm low-key trying to visit North Korea. Let's see. What does Spencer tell me? Listen, chat. I'm trying to see what Spencer told me to tell you guys, obviously, because you guys don't understand. You guys don't understand. Spencer streams on Tuesdays. I stream on Thursdays. But I am just an extension of Spencer. So that guy tells me what to tell you guys, and I just tell you guys here on stream. And today, so first and foremost, very important thing, we're going to give away 2 $10,000 accounts. Four, chat. Not 2, not 3, 4. 4 $5,000 accounts and 2 5K points. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what the fuck is point. Like, does anybody even use points? Like, I don't know. You got who in chat is excited to win points today? Maybe I shouldn't ask that question. Love from Antarctica. Oh, it's pretty close to me, man. I'm from Sweden. I don't know. No, wait, is Antarctica up or down, chat? Is Antarctica top of Earth or bottom of Earth? It's top, right? Antarctica. North Pole. North Pole is up. Antarctica is down. What's the opposite? What's down, up? Y'all didn't even know, bro. Antarctica is on Earth. So, North Pole, South Pole, but which is Antarctica and which is the other thing? Whatever the fuck that is. Not up, it's down. Listen, why am I asking y'all? Y'all are as retarded as me. Let me just look it up. Where is Antarctica? Antarctica is a continent as the southernmost point. It's south. Who the fuck said north, chat? It's down. Okay, somebody said down. All right. And what's the opposite? So in Antarctica is down, and up it's Antarctica. What's the opposite of? What's the opposite of Antarctica? The Arctic. So it's Antarctica below the Arctic up to Art. That was the most useless information. Like, I don't know why. I spent so much energy on that shit, but I don't know why. I have done all the tags on X immediately you posted for point giveaway. Alaska. Alaska's in the US, bro. Alright. I know y'all are trying to catch me. I know what y'all trying to do. Y'all trying to like catch me agreeing with y'all and then be like, yo, Bard, got you. Alright, I'm not that dumb. Damn, yo, everybody, we had no idea. Chat had no idea either. I swear, the trading industry gotta have the lowest average IQ out of all industries. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I haven't seen more retards than in the trading industry. And I'm one of them. Man, what is even happening? I don't know, bro. Let's get into this trading stuff, chat. Let's get into some trading. I don't know, I got hung up on Antarctica for some reason. Okay, so we got gold, which is a bunch of degens, I swear. I just take a trade buy on XAUSD on the 5 minute. Let's see how it goes. All right, so let's look at gold. Now, gold is finally coming down, chat, after so long. Like, after so long, gold is finally coming down, and we're seeing some bearish price action, which is beautiful. It was expected. Eventually, price can't go up forever. Now, that is very, it's a very common thing to say. Oh, everything that goes up got to come down, but it's also true, right? It's also true. So at a certain point, we were going to reject. Thankfully, we did that. So on the daily, we got a fat bearish candle, and then we got a less fat bearish candle, which tapped into this area right here, which seems to be an area of rejection. Now, if we get onto the 4 hour and look on the 4 hour, same thing, area of rejection. You see, price has rejected right at that area right there. So, and also we do have this area that hasn't gotten filled on the 4 hour, right here, guys. So let me mark that up. Boom. That area on the 4 hour has not gotten filled yet. As you see, you had push up, push down, and then you had consolidation, but you did not fill the imbalance all the way up. You see, so the imbalance is between these 2 points right here, right? Because this is the imbalance. On this side, it got filled all the way here, and on this side, it got filled to this area. So this area is still unfilled. So we're looking to tap into 4,179.2. That's the area we're looking to tap. Now let's see if that makes sense on the higher time frame. It does. On the lower time frame, I mean, it does make sense. So on the 1 hour, that is also rejection area. As you guys see, look at this: rejection, 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 dump. So that's a decision area on the 1 hour. So I am expecting sells on gold from 4,176.778. That's what I'm expecting on gold. So something like this. Boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm expecting on gold, boys. Very simple, honestly. You know, we got a decision area. We've got the daily tap of the imbalance, 4 hour tap of the imbalance, 1 hour liquidity grab above this high, as well as the tap into decision area. And there's also a pretty strong resistance on all time frames. So that is what I'm expecting on gold, ladies and gentlemen. I am bullish on gold at the moment. Look at the 15. The 15 is also about to close above range. You do have a interesting play here as well, guys. So as you know, this is what I do. I take buys from candles with no wicks. So something like that is also what I would look to do, right? I'd look to take a buy there. Stop loss would be below these lows right here, and TP would be at a roughly 1-to-1, like so. So that is what I'm looking for on gold. So either a buy from 4,118.8 or sell from 4,176.7. Is that clear, boys? Is that clear? Very quick gold analysis, but again, when you've been doing this for a while like I have, you don't really need to spend much time on the charts. You see what price is going to do. 50 people, 20 likes. How many likes we got? Did somebody say 20 likes? I'm about to crash the fuck out. 22 likes and 51 people watching, guys. Like, come on, just hit the like button. The thing is, guys, the like button, it's so disproportional because you guys only have to press one button, while me and Spencer get so much enjoyment from that because we actually get, we actually understand that you like the stream. So, it takes very little to do a lot of good. So just press the like button, boys. Let's get it. I got a question. Let's see. Let's hear it, Habib. UJ comp. Yeah, it hasn't broken structure to the downside yet, right? If I wanted to take a sell on UJ, I would like to see price close below here first. Because right now you are in an uptrend, right? You have a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it's still a higher low since you failed to close. So you are still good on UJ, or you're still not good on UJ to sells. Bro, there are bots too here for accounts only. What? Bots? What are you talking about, bots? Yo, everybody who's not a bot, type NLF right now. Everybody who's not a bot. I'm trying to see something. Not looking for UJ buys? No, there's way too many candles. I mean, UJ buys does look good, I'll be honest. But way too many candles in between. NLF. Okay, you see? Most people are not bots. I don't know what y'all talking about. Congratulations. Oh! I forgot, chat. How can I forget? NexteLevelFunded YouTube just hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. What a milestone. What a milestone. Many more thousands to come, but we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. WNLF, man. WNLF in the fucking chat. Oh my days. Good job, boys. This is all because of you. The NLF family is growing, guys. The NLF family is growing. What I can't get my head around is a candle with no wick on one time frame may have a wick on the other time frame. Yes, of course. Well, if a candle, because that's if let's say a candle opens up with no bottom wick, like so, on the 15-minute time frame. Right, this is a 15-minute time frame. Let's say this is a 30-minute time frame, right? If a candle opens up with no bottom wick, let's say it's 2:30. This candle opened up at 2:30, then both of these candles will open up. But in 15 minutes, this candle will close with no bottom wick, right? This candle will close no bottom wick, and then in the next 15, this might flip and create that bottom wick, which means that on 15 it has closed with no bottom wick, but on 30 it flipped and created that bottom wick before closing. So that's why that happens. Hopefully that's clear. My question is, what did you think most traders spend 4 or 5 years before becoming profitable? Is that they're only going through the strategy to finally find the golden one, or what? That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Right? That's complete bullshit. It's gonna take you however long you program your mind into taking, right? It's gonna program. If you tell yourself it's gonna take 2 years, well then it's gonna take 2 years, right? So there are two things. You can tell yourself it's gonna take 2 years, and it's definitely gonna take 2 years because you're not gonna put in the work. Or you can tell yourself, I'm gonna do it in 6 months, or I'm gonna do it in 3 months. Now, have you heard the saying, shoot for the stars, shoot for the stars and you might land on the moon. It's the same thing. If you say you're gonna do it in 2 years, you're gonna become profitable in 2 years, it's gonna take you 2 years, at least, because that's what you program in your mind. But if you tell yourself it's gonna take 3 months, it might not take 3 months. You might not make it in 3 months, but you'll be way ahead of where you would have been if you thought it would have taken 2 years. Get that, chat? So, when you say it takes 4 or 5 years, no, it does not take 4 or 5 years. No, it didn't take that for me. 4 or 5 years is crazy. Like 4 or 5 years to become profitable is crazy. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. You can do it in a lot less. You can do it in a lot less. You're still trading JER? No, I'm not trading JER anymore. Not really looking at it too much, to be honest. Shoot for the moon? Yeah, exactly. So it all depends, guys. It can be profitable. I've seen people become profitable in a month, in 2 months. It all depends on your psychology. I got a 0.1% contribution to the subscriber milestone. Hey, every contribution counts. However small it is. We appreciate everybody. Now, me personally, I got a 0.5% contribution because I'm subscribed with 5 accounts, which I think you guys should be too. For successful traders, what 2 things main to learn? 2 main things for successful traders. Number 1, strategy that is objective and has been proven and works. So number 1, strategy, a proven strategy that works and has worked for many people in the past. Number 2, psychology. Because if you got number 1 but don't have number 2, it doesn't matter because you're not going to take the trades that are part of your strategy. You're going to deviate. So you have to have both. But those are the 2 things. Trading is very simple, guys. Trading success is very simple. You take a piece of paper, you mark out 2 things, right? Strategy, psychology. And you ask yourself, do I have a strategy that I know works? Am I profitable in backtesting? That's how you know if your strategy is sound. Because in backtesting, the psychology part doesn't play into account. You can isolate the strategy part in backtesting because you're not, obviously, there's no money on the line, so you're not emotional. So psychology, you can take away psychology. So are you profitable in backtesting? Number 1, yes, good. You have the psychology. Or you have the strategy, my bad. You have the strategy if you're profitable in backtesting. Number 2 then, do you have the psychology to follow your plan and when money's on the line? If you have those 2, you're a successful trader. If you're not a profitable trader, one of those 2 things are lacking. Absolutely. My own view is I took them that long to finally understand about themselves because it's not about the strategy. Of course, strategy is a backbone, but actually understanding who yourself and Habib, I'm not really sure I know what you mean, brother. Psychology, powerful, and strategy backtest also 1,000 times, so maybe successful trade soon. Maybe. What is your strategy based on? SMT or ICT? None of them. My strategy is based off of my own concepts. Why are you guys leaving? Join for free knowledge and not free account. Backtesting is about strategy? Yes. Well, backtesting that's where you isolate your strategy from the psychology, right? Bart, what's your expectation on gold by the end of the month? End of the month? End of the month is in 7 days. So expectation on gold for the end of the month is I would say pretty bullish. End of the month, like this is my expectation on the daily. That's my expectation on the daily. So however many candles that take, I don't know, but my expectation is you're gonna probably see a push up here to fill for these imbalances that you created, right? So you're gonna see a push up. Now you might see some rejection here, obviously, and then, but you're gonna overall see a push up, and then you're gonna see some rejections up at these highs right here on the daily, and that's gonna be your push down afterwards. And then you're gonna start create a downtrend instead of an uptrend. So that is my prediction on the daily. So I'm thinking bullish this week, and then bearish. No, bullish the start of this week. So bullish today. Bullish the start of next week. I'm talking about next week. Bullish the start of next week, and then by the end of next week, you should see a pretty hefty push down. That is my prediction on gold for the end of the month. Are you trading live or just analyzing? I'm analyzing and giving you all positions that I want to take. Am I taking a trade live while I'm on the call? No. But I'm just telling you guys the positions that I'm looking to take. And I'm showing you guys some analysis of what I'm expecting price to do. Have people ever tried the flip coin strategy? What is a flip coin strategy? You might as well hit the casino at that point, brother. Are you trading live? I like, subscribe, share all your social media. I love NLF and I never win giveaway. Please pick me. Listen, guys. If you want to win the giveaway, do not ask me or Spencer to win or pick you guys. Ask God. All right? Pray to God and ask that you guys are chosen, because that's out of our control. We spin the wheel and whoever it lands on gets the account. I have no control over who wins. So if you want to win, pray. That's all I got to say. I cannot help you. So how can a 4-year-old trader in the industry become profitable? Well, you have to get down to the root cause of your issues. Like I told you, write down a piece of paper. Strategy, psychology. Right? Those are the only two things. Like there are two things in trading. There's strategy, psychology. Right? There's a strategy, and then there's the power to follow that strategy, regardless. And that is psychology. Right? So write down those two things and see where you're lacking. Are you profitable in backtesting? Well, then you have a good strategy, right? Then psychology is lacking. So work on your psychology. But I'm trying to make strategy, but I don't know how to start. You don't have to make a strategy, bro. Copy somebody. Copy someone that already has a strategy. Bro, there are countless of videos. Watch TJR's bootcamp. Watch my videos on YouTube. Watch PB Trade. There are so many different people, guys. So you never create a strategy. I don't know why people create a strategy. It's just dumb. Waste of time. Why not copy somebody that's already done the things you want to do? Does your no-wick strategy have a high win rate? Yes, it does. I pray to God I win this time. Hopefully God will answer your prayers. Lol, the biggest giveaway is the one-on-one mentorship. You got it, Daniel, my guy. Batman, calm down, I'm gonna ban you now. Have you tried listing NLF on prop firm match? I feel like it will give prop firm a boost and attract traders looking to get in prop firm trading. I don't know. That's Spencer's thing, guys. I'm telling y'all, don't ask too much. Don't ask too much technical prop firm related questions. All right, ask trading questions. In terms of like those things, Spencer knows those things. I haven't. I don't know. How do I change white? How do I change white background on Match Trader? Again, not a technical guy, chat. Can you check your USD for me? Of course. Of course I can check. Your USD. Let me draw some zones. So we got, boom. You know what, chat? You know what I realized? Like, you guys, I saw last stream and a couple streams back that people were spamming boom in chat. Like, you're saying boom X9 and shit like that. And I was like, what the fuck are they talking about? And then I watched the stream back and I realized I used the word boom way too much. And then I realized that's why you guys are saying boom in the chat. because every single time I do something, I say boom, and I don't know, I didn't even realize. So that was fun. So I'm gonna stop saying that now. You guys made me self-conscious. Your USD, we got a zone right there. We got another zone right here. So what I would say is I would simply look for price to close above this area and look to enter quick buys to fill the range up, because it looks like every single time you close above, you do fill the range. So that's what I would look on your USD. It's currently bearish, obviously, because you haven't broken structure. You are in a downtrend. Look, high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then you had another lower low, lower high, and now it seems like you're looking to break the lower high. Since you're breaking the lower high, that's going to be a break of structure right here. After break of structure, you usually see some sort of a retest and then a push up. So I'm expecting probably buys on your USD once you see that break of structure and closure above this area. Let's go back to gold. What is your view on weekly time frame on GU? Weekly time frame on GU. Weekly time frame on GU. Bearish, super bearish. Right, high, downtrend, liquidity grab, flip on that candle, strong bearish closure, bearish candle, high, failed to break the previous high, lower low, another high, failed to break the previous high, meaning it's a lower high, and now it's creating another low low and filling the previous wick down, and also you have imbalances all the way down. So I'm expecting bearish price action on the week on GU. It looks very bearish to me. So bearish on the weekly time frame. Whoa, 60 people watching. Everybody like ASAP. Yo, wait, how many likes we got? I will refresh the page now, and that will determine. 42 likes. Damn. Okay. 42 likes, chat. Thank you for analysis. I got you. All right, I got a few things to run by you guys. The Spencer told me to tell you. So let's see what we got. Number one will be. Oh, should we give away the first couple of accounts now? Should we do the first giveaway? I think. How does Spencer do it? Spencer does it right. Spencer does it like he splits the giveaways throughout the stream, right? So one in the beginning, one mid, one late. I'm guessing that's how he does. We can do that too. But number one, NLF V2 is launching November 1st, which means we will launch a whole new version of the Next Level Funded website, and there will be kind of a new era, a new chapter of Next Level Funded. We'll have new promos, new website, everything will be new. All right. V2 means version 2. So there'll be Next Level Funded version 2 on September 1st. So stay tuned for that. A lot of shit will change for the better. You guys will see. We got something cooking. Number 2, the competition is still running, by the way. So if you guys go to Next Level Funded's website, let me share my screen. Is it this one? Is it this one? No, it's not that one. Boom, 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 boom. So the competition is still running, boys. We got right here. So on Next Level Funded's websites, for only $15, you can join a competition where you can win 1 year TradingView subscription plus a $50,000 account valued at $600. So you'll get, I don't even know, like more than 10x your money. You'll get like 50 extra money. And the second price is 50K account plus $100 NLF voucher. So there's, again, 10x the value of what you paid for the account, and a bunch of other prices as well. And the competition is very simple. You get a $100,000 account, and the guy with the best performance at the end of the competition wins the prizes. So number 1 spot wins this, number 2 wins this, etc., etc., etc. Now we've made sure that all the prizes are worth more than what you paid for the account. So even if you win the lowest price, you are still going plus. So the competition is still running. We got like very few people join the competition for some reason. But if you feel like you're a good trader, if you feel like you want to prove yourself, great opportunity to do that. Also, you get 1 year free TradingView subscription. And if you guys don't have the pro version of TradingView, like I cannot call, listen, if I meet somebody and they're like, yo, I'm like, what do you do for work? I'm like, I trade. And then I ask them, I'm like, what do you do for work? Like, oh shit, I'm a trader too. And then I open their trading view and they have the basic version. I cannot take them seriously. Right? So any person who calls them a real profitable trader needs TradingView Pro. And you can get 1 year of that if you win the competition, plus a $50,000 account. So you get TradingView Pro where you can analyze the charts, backtest, do everything you need to do, and you get a $50,000 account. So insane prizes, $15 to enter, very low bar to entry. And then we also got everything else, you boys know. We got top up, special accounts, we got 200 for 20, 50 for 50, 100 for 100 still running. All the best fucking promos in the prop firm space. So yeah. NLF is on fire. We really on fire. Will the rules stay the same? Yes. Yes, the rules will stay the same, even after version 2. What else we got? We got, oh yeah, so the special, I forgot, this is also one big thing. The special accounts will be removed, boys, November 1st. October, November, December, yeah, November 1st. November 1st, we will remove all special accounts. So 20 for 20 will be gone, 50 for 50 will be gone, 100 for 100 will be gone. Right? The reason we're doing that is because we're opening version 2 of NexteLevelFunded. So that's why we are we're removing all the special accounts. So you got 1 more week to get any of these accounts. So make sure to get an account, boys. Don't slack, because after November 1st, they're gone. All right, should we do a giveaway now, chat? Should we do a giveaway? Nice plan, NLF. Thank you. Can we have a 7-day payout as an add-on? Good shout. I'll say that to Spencer. Bard, I got a question. Does the no-wick strategy work on all Forex pairs? And also, no, it does not work on all Forex pairs. It only works on the ones on my screen. Which one do you think is better, win rate or risk to reward? Okay. Do you guys want my honest opinion on risk to reward versus win rate? My honest opinion, I'm not even gonna let you answer. My honest opinion is that the best risk to reward is the most balanced risk to reward, meaning not too high, not too low. For 2 reasons. Bardo, what kind of hairstyle are you trying to do? The one I just got, like slick back? What do you mean? Does it not look like I have a hairstyle? Like, what are you trying to say with that comment? Like, what is that? Like, why you're asking what trying to, like, you're asking what hairstyle do you want as if I don't already have a hairstyle. As if, like, my hairstyle is shit. Is that, you're trying to say my hairstyle is shit? That's what you're trying to say, right? I think my hairstyle is pretty good. No, I'm just kidding with you. W hairstyle, thank you. Thank you. It is, man. I appreciate you, man. No, I was just kidding, bro. That was a fake crash out chat. So RR to win rate. So obviously you guys know, the higher the RR, the lower the win rate you can have and still be profitable. The lower the RR, the higher the win rate needs to be profitable. So you guys have to understand that these things have different effects on psychology. If you have a very high win rate and a low RR, meaning your RR is below 1, but you have a really high win rate, then you will win a lot, but when you lose, you'll lose more than you win. That is very bad for psychology. Very, very bad for psychology. Because for number 1, you will not be used to the feeling of losing, which you have. In trading, you have to constantly be reminded that you can lose. You have to constantly lose. That's a good thing. It's good for your psychology to lose, because you have to be familiar with the losing, with the psychology that comes with losing, with the feelings that come with losing, right? So if you have a really high win rate and a low RR, you will win a lot, but when you lose, it'll feel like a bullet to your heart, right? So that's why having a way too high win rate and a low RR is very bad. But on the other hand, having a very, very low win rate but a high RR is also bad, because you will lose way too much than you're winning, right? You will lose a lot and you'll win a little, but when you win, you'll win more than you lose, right? But that's not good either, because then you're losing too much, right? And you might have like 2-3 days when you're losing in a row, and that's really bad for psychology as well. So the best thing for psychology is very simple. Best thing for psychology is have a medium win rate and a medium RR, meaning have one to 1 to 2 RR, maybe 3 at max, and then have between a 50 and 70 to 80% win rate. 50 and 80% win rate. That's the goal point. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. But they affect you differently. He's saying you're chopped, bro. That's fucked up. It's fucked up, Kenty. And you're Albanian as well. I can see by your name. That means that you're chopped as well. So we're all chopped. I guess Albanians are chopped. What can I say? You said it. I didn't say anything. Same thing with you, FSH. You're not getting away either. Alright, that build one convinced makes sense. Let's see what we got. What we got. Today I contacted you on Google Meet. Wait, did we? Why the fuck did you contact me on Google Meet? And how do you even contact somebody on Google Meet? How do you contact somebody on Google Meet? Can you enlighten me? Can you enlighten me, bro? Because what the actual fuck? Well, no wonder I didn't respond. Will I be blacklisted? Blacklisted from what? Interesting hairstyle, bro. What do you mean interesting hairstyle? It's a slick back. It's the most common hairstyle of all time. I just take water and I do this. How is that interesting? You swear a lot? Sorry. Chad, y'all gonna make me crash out this stream, man. Y'all gonna make me crash out this stream. Who feels twice is gay? Alright. No, let's give away an account, chat. Let's get man's looking for a girl on stream. Yo, I'm dead. Yo, who the fuck asked any girl trader here, bro? You are wildin', man. Go get Tinder or something. This is a trading stream. Bard trying to copy Alex G's hairstyle? Fuck no. Alright. Let's not waste any more time. Guys, we got 66 people watching. Holy shit. We got 66 people watching, chat. And we got how many likes? We got 45 likes. I mean, we can do better, chat. We can do better. All right, let's give away some accounts. Let's give away some accounts. Let's stop yapping. Let me pull up the form. Google form. Boom. All right. I will send the link in the chat, boys and girls. I doubt there are any girls here, but I'll send the link in chat. And you guys, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is fill in the form one time. One singular time. Now, if you fill in the form more than one time, it will fuck up the thing for all of us. So please only fill in the form once. And if you fill in the form twice, you'll also be eliminated. So you won't be able to win an account. So let me send the link. Boom. There's the link, guys. I'll give you 2 minutes to fill in the form and enter the giveaway. After that, we'll spin the wheel and somebody will win an account. And then we'll go through some other questions. So I'll give you guys 2 minutes. And in the meantime, I'll go through some of y'all's questions. So let's see what y'all are saying. Pin the form. Smart. Smart professor. There's a reason your name is Professor. I mean, I took a point out. What? Tinder banned me because guys can't compete with me. Oh, guys can't compete with you, so you go to random ass. So you go to a random ass trading stream and you're trying to find a girl there. I'm gonna be honest, bro. You won't find a girl here. We just dropped to 47 people. How is that possible? So if you do the second spin, we'll need. So if you do the second spin, we'll need to fill again. Yes. 42 responses. Damn. 42 responses, boys. 46. We keep going. We keep going. I'm gonna give y'all another. Let me see. So when the next, let's go to the trading view. Let's go to 3 minutes. All right. So when this candle closes, you guys see the time here. When this candle closes, we will spin the wheel. So that is in 50 seconds. So you guys got 50 seconds to enter the giveaway. Check the pin message. Please, what are the points used for? Like getting accounts, I think. I'll be honest, chat. I don't really know. I don't know. Spencer tell me to give away points, so I give away points. I don't ask what they're for. Quite frankly, I don't care what they're for. I'm just gonna give them away. Do accounts, please. Yes, we will give away accounts as well. We'll give away four $5,000 accounts and two $10,000 accounts, boys. So we will give away accounts, guys. Don't worry, chat. I got y'all, man. Don't worry, I got y'all. You will receive accounts. Not every one of you, obviously, but a few of you will receive accounts today for free. Because NLF is just like that. We're just like that, man. NLF is just the most giving prop firm in the world. We're just the most generous prop firm in the world, you know. Someone said yesterday Batman is gay. Batman? Give 100K since we reach 1K subs. But I'll give away 100K when we reach 100K subs. All right, do we got any questions, guys? Okay, good. Habib, finally, we got some questions. Any advice for a trader that got funded? What do you think they should do to get it to the first payout? Very, 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 very good question. So, congratulations. You have passed your first funded account, or you've gotten your first funded account. No, you passed. And then for trader got funded. Okay, you got funded. Okay, congratulations, you passed your first funded account. But now is the hard part. Now you need to pass that shit. No, now you need to get a payout. My bad. Now you need to get a payout. How do you get a payout? How do you keep doing the same thing that got you to the funded account in the first place? Because you know how to trade. Obviously, you know how to trade. Otherwise, you wouldn't have gotten funded in the first place. Right? But you need to make sure you're doing the same thing when you get that funded account to the payout. Now, how do you do that? Number one, and this is very simple. This is very simple, guys. And this is also a universal advice. This is for everybody, not just for Habib. This is for everybody. So number one, hopefully you have a journal. Now, if you don't have a journal is a singular best thing you will ever do for your trading. And a journal just simply means recording every single trade you take. That's what a journal means. A journal means every single trade you take, you write down why you took the trade, which pair it was, which entry model, and everything about that trade, what time, etc. Hopefully you've journaled. If you have a journal, what you do afterwards, after you've passed the account, you go back to your journal and you look at what are the highest win rate conditions. Meaning, when am I making the best plays? Which entry model, which session, which time, all of that, right? And after you do that, you can see, all right, now I have compiled the highest win rate entries. So now I know this is what works best for me, because that's what you use a journal for. You use a journal to be able to go back to your trades and see what works best for you. Now, when you've done that, you build yourself a playbook. And a playbook is just a combination of a bunch of high win rate entry models that you have backtested and know work. Now, all you have to do after that is follow that playbook, meaning you are only allowed to take the entry models from that playbook on that account. That is what you do. That is how you secure a payout, and that is how you make sure you're able to trade emotionless. Because what happens is people pass an account, they get funded, but then emotions take over. Emotions take over, and when emotions take over, they can't perform the way they did before they got funded, and they blow the account. So to make sure you don't do that, you have to have data. And you have to follow that data and those entry models. So that's my advice for you, bro. All right, it's time to spin, boys. It's time to spin. If Batman is gay, then Robin is in trouble. Oh, my days. Yeah, I feel bad for 67 responses, bro. What the hell? Oh, my days. Y'all blew me out of the water today, chat. Chat, today you've done a madness. Today you've done a madness. All right, let's spin this bad boy. Let me give away some accounts. Spin the wheel. let's see. Does Spencer, guys? Does Spencer put in one more? Does Spencer place the what names does Spencer place in the on the wheel? Is it their names, their emails, their Discord names? I'm guessing, right? I'm guessing it's the Discord names. Let's see what Spencer did. It's yeah, their Discord names. All right, so that's what we'll do. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and now we do this. All right. All right. Okay, boys. Now it's time to give aways. Add image. Wait, look what I can do, chat. Look what I can, hold on. Look what I can do. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'm currently cooking. I'm currently cooking like you've never seen somebody cook before. Please give me a sec. Please. All right, all right, all right. I'm cooking, chat. This is gonna be revolutionary. What you guys are gonna see now, it's gonna be revolutionary. Boom! Oh. There is no way. Are you guys seeing what I'm? Oh my, Bard, you've outdone yourself, Bard. Oh my days, oh, dude. Hold on, let me send this. I'm gonna send the picture to Spencer, bro. Hold on, guys. Smile. Smile for the camera. Man, if that's not revolutionary, I don't know what is, chat. All right, let's spin this bad boy now, guys. Let's spin this. So, we're gonna give away first we're gonna start with two 5K points. So we're gonna give away 5,000 points. Now, what are points? What do you use points for? I'll be honest, I have no idea, but we're gonna give away two 5K points regardless. So let's see how many. Let's see if that was 5K. It was 5K, right? Yes, two 5K points, four $5,000 accounts, and then two $10,000 accounts. So the first winner of 5,000 points is Nova Alpha. Congratulations, Nova Alpha. You have won yourself you've won yourself 5,000 points. So go to Discord. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on, chat? Okay, we're good. We're good. Congratulations, Nova Alpha X. You won yourself 5K points. Go to Discord, open a ticket, and you will receive your points. Now, what you can do with those points, I don't know, go buy ice cream. All right, we got 5K points again. The winner for 5K points is Sadeg01/Sack. Zadeg01. Zadeg01, you won yourself 5,000 points on Discord. So go to Discord, open a ticket, tell them you won 5K points, tell them I sent you, and you'll receive your 5K points. All right, now it's time for accounts, boys. Now it's like time for account. Now it's time for account, all right? Are you boys ready? $5,000 accounts. The winner is Amina. Congratulations, Amina. You have won yourself a $5,000 account with NexteLevelFunded. Go to Go to Discord, open a ticket, and you'll receive your $5,000 account with NexteLevelFunded. Amina. Boom. 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 All right, now it's time for another $5,000 account. I think we got four accounts, brother. 4 accounts. Y'all are getting spoiled today. Add my name. Add my name. Add my name. VQN is the next $5,000 account winner. Go open a ticket on Discord, and you'll receive your 5K account. All right, we got 2 more 5K accounts. I'm going through these, chat. Scarecrow, Mahinder 7883. You have won yourself a $5,000 account. Congratulations. All right, last $5,000 account. Then we'll take a break, and then we will give away $10,000 accounts afterwards. So this is the last $5,000 account with NexteLevelFunded that we'll give away today, and the winner for that is Habibi. Habibi, you have won $5,000 accounts with NexteLevelFunded. Go open a ticket on Discord and tell them you won. Tell them I sent you, and you'll receive your 5K account. Congratulations. All right. All right. Enough of that. Enough of that. Where? Boom. Back to the charts. So we'll take a break. We'll answer a few questions. Go through some trading stuff. Go through some new updates we got with NexteLevelFunded, and then we'll give away. To end the stream, we'll give away 2 $10,000 accounts, boys. How long have we been live? We've been live for... Damn, we've been live for an hour? Oh, dude, time goes so fast when I'm streaming. Because you guys... Like, streaming is just so fun. Okay, time to silver bullet. No time to silver bullet. I filled the form, but I didn't say my name. No worries, man. No worries. You'll get that. Oh, my days. What happened now? Where's chat? Okay, boom. All right, so yeah, I mean, we've just to give you guys an update, another update or a reminder is that on November 1st, so in a week from now, in 8 days, we are gonna launch NexteLevelFunded V2, which is the version 2 of NexteLevelFunded. That means that we're gonna have a new website and a bunch of other new stuff. I cannot say everything right now, but we're gonna have a lot of new stuff happening, guys. A lot of new stuff happening. We're also gonna remove all special accounts. So the 20 for 20, the 50 for 50, and the 100 for 100 will be removed. So you guys will have 1 week from now to buy a new special account. Otherwise, you'll miss out on another opportunity. Because we're gonna kind of rebrand and do a bunch of shit. But yeah. Can I become mod? Ask Spencer. He's the one that gives mods. I don't know who's responsible. I don't know who's responsible for who's mod or not. So rigged? It's not rigged. You're just unlucky. Bro, I won finally. Good job, man. Good job. Everybody, guys, I'm telling you, there are 60, no, today we had like 60 people sign up for the giveaway, which means that if you pull up to 60 streams and you put your name in on each stream, you have a very high chance of winning. You just have to stay consistent with it. Please give a new form to fill in for the last account. Yes, I will do that. The last 10K accounts will be a new form. So make sure to stay tuned for that, guys. We'll give away the accounts. Let's see, we've been live for an hour. Yeah, we've been live for an hour, guys. So I guess we'll give away the 10K accounts now as well. But yeah, let's see what else we got. What else do we got? Also, the competition is still running. So if you guys want a chance to win 1 year free TradingView subscription, as well as a bunch of other prizes like a 50K account, a $100,000 account, you can have a chance to win that by joining the competition on nextlevelfunded.com. So we currently have a trading competition running, which means that the winner of that competition is just the guy who performs best on that account, right? And if you perform the best, you will win a free 1 year free TradingView subscription, as well as a bunch of other prizes. $15 to enter, and every single prize you can win is worth more than $15. So basically, if you're in the top 5, there's no way you lose money on that one. So make sure to join the competition, boys. Very important. Very, very important. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the talking points I have today, boys. That's all the updates I got. So I guess we'll spin the wheel again. Must we fill in the form again? Yes, you will have to fill in the form again. So let me send the new form here. All right. I will now send in the form for the $10,000 account giveaway. We'll give away 2 $10,000 accounts. Now, I have to say this again. Fill in the form only one time. If you fill it twice, you will be eliminated and you won't be able to win any account at all. Right? So you have to only fill it in once. Voice is gone. No voice. No voice. Hello, hello, hello. What? There's no way. What? There's no way. Hello, hello, hello. What? There's no way. Hello, hello, hello. You guys can hear me. Hello, hello. You guys can hear me. You guys can hear me. We can hear you. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. All right. Boom. That's the form, boys. Fill in that form. I'll also pin it. Oh, my days. You're typing too fast. I can't even pin it. There we go. There's the form. Fill in the form, and you will be entered in the giveaway. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. And yeah, let's fucking go, boys. In the meantime, I'll answer a few more questions. But you guys are not... Let's see. Do we have any questions? New form? Yes, new form. I'm away for a pint of Guinness. Bard, you're a top guy. Well done, and thanks for all you do. Thank you, Johnny. Have a good one, bro. Go enjoy your Guinness. Split the G for me, man. Yo, split the G for me sounds kind of gay. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, chat. All right, we got 34 responses so far. Again, fill in the form and you'll be entered into the giveaway, guys. I have a question. Shoot, bro. Let's hear your question. What you got for me? The giveaway account has how many phases? 2K. 2 phases, not 2K. 2 phases. Please tell me the pairs where the no-wick strategy works. It works on the pairs that you see on screen. What has happened? There you go, these pairs. Oh, gold is coming close to our zone, chat. Look at this, gold is coming close to our zone. So it's looking real nice. UJ, this comp on UJ worked perfectly. Is that a higher time frame comp? It is. Is it a 1 hour comp? No, it's not. It's a 30-minute comp though. Yeah, but looking at gold sales here, guys. 4,176.7. 3 phase? Oh, it's 3 phase. Oh, my bad. I did not know. 3 phase. 3 phase is a lot, damn. All right, everybody, we got... Okay, so how is this possible? We got 50 responses. All right, I'll give you guys... Let's see, let's look at the chart. So I'll give you guys... When this candle closes, when this 1 minute candle closes in 40 seconds, I will spin the wheel, and everybody that has not filled the form only once will not be a part of it. Boom. Let's see. 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds and we'll spin. And 2 of y'all will win two $10,000 accounts. No, not 2 each. You'll win 1 each. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. The doors are not closed. The doors are not closed. There can only be 2 winners out of all these people. 2 winners for 2 $10,000 accounts. And the first winner is, drum roll please. There's no way. Oh, the first winner is Lloyd. Is it a double L or a capital I and then a small L? Anyways, it doesn't matter. Lloyd. Congratulations, Lloyd Zero. You have won yourself a $10,000 account with NexteLevelFunded. Please open ticket on Discord. Let them know that you won and you will be provided your 10K account. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for the last account. Lloyd already won before? Right? Whoa, wait. When did he win? When did Lloyd win, chat? Lloyd, is that true, Lloyd? Yeah, 5K. Oh, dude, honest guy. Honest guy. All right, we'll respin. So, Lloyd, good job, man. You're an honest guy. Like, you deserve an account for being that honest, but unfortunately, the rules are the rules. All right, so we got 2 more accounts to give away since Lloyd got eliminated. All right, so the first winner of the 10K account is Niraj. Congratulations, Niraj. You have won yourself. Lloyd must be handsome. Yeah, he gotta be handsome. Niraj, you have won yourself a $10,000 account. Congratulations. Please open a ticket on Discord and you'll receive your $10,000 account. Good job. Not really that you did much, but good job for filling in the form. Let's see if chat is the ultimate judge, man. Like, they don't let anybody off the hook. If you won before, you're cooked. Chat won't forget. Best memory ever. So I'm seeing if Niraj has won before. Chat is not complaining. That means that Niraj has not won before. So congratulations, Niraj. You have officially validly won. Validly is not a word. You officially legitimately won a 10K account with NexteLevelFunded. Congratulations. Don't blow it. Trade responsibly. Trade responsibly and don't cook yourself. All right. Time has come for the last winner, chat. The last winner of today. I'm sorry I have to leave you guys, but at least I'll leave you with a $10,000 account. So let's see what the winner is. The winner for Aurelius. Congratulations, Aurelius. You have won yourself a $10,000 account with NexteLevelFunded, and you also won yourself the last account we're going to give away today. So congrats. Go open a ticket on Discord. Tell them I sent you. Tell them you won a 10K, and we will provide you with your 10K account. All right, everybody. I'm going to have to love you and leave you, but it was fun. Thank you for being on stream. Good energy. We had peak viewers, I think, 70 viewers. It's crazy. I appreciate you guys. God bless you all. Trade responsibly. And I will spin you guys. I will see you guys in the next. I'll see you and spin you for the giveaway in the next respin. Respin he won last time. There's no way. There's no way. I'm sorry, Aurelius, man. Aurelius, if you're in chat, have you won? Have you won? Yes, I'm Aurelius. Spin it again. Damn, bro. Dude, I hate when when this happens to honest people, man. Like if somebody's a dick, then I'll be happy to take that account away from them. But like Aurelius, man, I'm sorry, bro. Fucking hell. Damn. Chat, don't forget. Chat never forgets. Chat is ruthless. Chat is not letting anybody off the hook, bro. Like you're cooked. If chat has seen your name once, you'll be remembered forever. You're never getting away with anything ever. God damn. All right. All right. All right. All right, chat. Well, we'll respin the winner. So the respin will happen now. The winner for the last $10,000 account is hopefully somebody that hasn't won before. And it's Kenton. Kenton. I'm pretty sure that's Kent Papalozzi. Congratulations. Oh, you can't see that? Oh, no way. Kent, you won. Yo. But we have to respin since you didn't see the screen. We have to respin, guys, since I was not showing the screen. That's my fault. No, I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. Don't worry. Don't worry. Congratulations, Kent. You won your a $10,000 account with NexteLevelFunded. Congratulations, bro. Hopefully you haven't won before. Let's see if chat is complaining. Chat, should we give him to him, chat? Chat is the ultimate judge, guys. Chat, should we give it to him? Let him. Yes. Okay, Professor has the final say. Professor, should we give it to him? Give him. All right. Professor said give him, so we'll give him the 10K account. Congratulations, Kent. You have won yourself a $10,000 account with NexteLevelFunded. Open a ticket on Discord and we'll provide you. All right, boys. Now we'll have to love you and leave you for real. So I appreciate you guys for being on stream. Thank you so much for bringing good energy. Hopefully you got some value out of the stream. And even if you didn't win an account, hopefully it was worth your time. And I'll see you next stream. Not next Thursday, because next Thursday I'll be traveling. But the Thursday after that. Otherwise, you'll talk to Spencer on Tuesday. Appreciate you, boys. Best community on fucking earth. Best prop firm space on the best prop firm in the fucking prop firm space. You know how we do it. NLF on top. Let's get it, boys. Goodbye. Goodbye.